So, I'm gonna start with this guy here. I feel like it's the easiest to reach. It looks like, come off a little more, please, just for reassurance. Yes. Thank you very much. Wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. Come on. Almost there. Okay, there she goes. Wow, I thought I had to pull that clamp. It automatically freed itself when I yanked that out. That's cool. I see somebody was smart enough to use the easy clamp on the heater core right there, because I really hate those spring clamps. What the hell? Why can't I? Is it frozen? Is my brain frozen? Why can't I do this? Alright, different approach. Okay, we're back. I turned it a little. Hopefully it was enough. God damn it. What the hell? It was enough to... Ha! Son of a bitch. They do it, I just really wasn't thinking. So yeah, these things come with these little horseshoe clamps on them. You just hold them at the top. If you can pull the horseshoe clamp off, you can get the whole damn thing off. You don't even have to pull it from right there. I was just being, you know, me. Oh, yeah. See? A little clamp right there. Right around the head of that. You really don't want to break this. It's the tip of your heater core, which is buried in your dashboard. Really hard to get to. So yeah, removing your air box would be much easier, but like I said, I'm me, so. Oh, feel it. And she's off. Just took this off to get a bit of clearance on that. This was the little contraption I had made to stop my coolant leak. Pretty good, right? Yeah. So what this dum-dum wanted to avoid from the very beginning, he still ends up having to do, which is removing my air intake. So I can see where that hose is going to. This is interesting. I was pulling that little metal clamp off the other coolant hose going to the heater core, and the heater core to the cylinder head. I just touched this thing and it just bloop, popped right off into my hand. It's a good thing I bought a new one, right? Because that is not good. This shit would have really heated up. Yes. I don't know if it just snapped off or if it was snapped off. Glad I'm changing it. Oh, yes, after about 10-15 minutes of fighting with the stupid spring clamp in the back, I got it off. Yeah, you didn't want to see me fighting that thing. It got ugly. Yeah, she should come right off. Oh, I catch this back on because it's leaking coolant everywhere. Time to start leaking coolant everywhere again. Oh, good God. More space. I'm going to trace back this hose. Yeah, so I needed both hands to get underneath there. Did get underneath there. Got that stupid clamp off. Alright, put the new hoses on. The hell is that? Is that a bird? Let's get the new hoses on. Get coolant in and start her up. Get this open. Alright. Under here. Oh, the other one off. That one went on smoothly. got the little piece that I had left on there from the other hose. Wow, looks bad. Come on, first. Got this last one back here. That should be good. For the next one, I angled it towards me because before it was angled the other way. That's why it was so hard to get to. Get the clicking the horseshoe clamp. Okay. So yeah, I got everything tightened up. Everything's on. The hoses are on. I had to put the intake back on. Line that back up. Okay, that looks better. Like mass airflow sensor back. Okay. Put this guy back on. I didn't pull this. I need to buy more of these clamps. I'm gonna change this coolant reservoir. Yeah, definitely need to be changed. Let's get this new one on. Alright, back in the same spot it was before. Still need a coolant flush. Definitely still need a coolant flush. Just gonna cap it just to start it. Don't know if I really have to do that, just being safe. E, clutch, start. Make sure you're not in gear. That's for windshield wiper fluid, not coolant. So she definitely took the coolant that was there, and the coolant that I spilled is now burning off. Okay, everything seems good so far. I'm gonna just clean up my tools because the rain is coming down and I don't want to catch a cold. No leaks. That is good. That is very good. Running for a little more than an hour. It is toasty in here. The heat is kicking. Alright, I'm getting ready to turn her off in about 2 hours. So you know it's a VR. Yeah, until next time.